have the Samsung Galaxy A14, and this phone has a notch camera cutout. Now you can hide this camera cutout in different apps on this phone, and to do that, simply go to settings. On the main settings page, go to display, tap on that, and then under display, go to camera cutout. Okay, select that, and as you can see, when you hide the camera cutout, it's going to create a black bar on top here, and just make this almost invisible. Okay, now it's also going to change the text in the status bar from black to white. So let me give you an example. Let's say you want to hide the camera cutout in the Chrome browser. Now you'll notice everything is set to auto by default, but you can go ahead and just hide it altogether. So tap on Chrome, for instance, if you want to hide it in Chrome, and then select hide camera cutout. So once you do that, every time you launch Chrome, it's going to launch having cut out or having hidden that camera cutout. It's just going to go draw a straight line to hide that camera cutout, and so you can browse in Chrome and never see that notch. Okay, before it was disabled or before it was hidden, this is what it looked like. Okay, so let me go back to Chrome and set it back to auto, and then go back to Chrome. So that's what it normally looks like before you hide the camera cutout. And so you need to do this for all the apps that you want to hide the camera cutout for. There's no single button to hide the camera cutout for all the apps. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.